Good morning, students, and welcome back. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we will solve Science 2 worksheet, lesson number 2, Life Processes in Living Organism Part 1. Write your name and today's date on your worksheet. The very first question is fill in the blanks. Read the first question of fill in the blanks. Glucose is oxidized step by step in the cells during the process of dash. So, answer is cellular respiration. That is, glucose is oxidized step by step in the cells during the process of cellular respiration. As we have studied, carbohydrates of the food that we consume every day for production of energy is oxidized step by step in cells during the process of cellular respiration. Now let's see second fill in the blank. In dash respiration, glucose is oxidized in 3 steps. As we have studied, in aerobic respiration, glucose is oxidized in 3 steps, and in anaerobic respiration, glucose is oxidized in 2 steps. So, answer is aerobic respiration. Write down aerobic. Now read third fill in the blank. Dash is also called Embden-Merhoff-Parnas pathway. Process of glycolysis was discovered by 3 scientists, Gustav Embden, Otto Merhoff and Jacob Parnas, along with their colleagues. Hence, glycolysis is also called as EMP pathway or Embden-Merhoff-Parnas pathway. So, answer is glycolysis. Write down glycolysis. Now read fourth fill in the blank. Molecules of pyruvic acid formed in this glycolysis are converted into molecules of dash. As we have studied, pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl coenzyme A in aerobic respiration. So, answer is acetyl coenzyme A. That is, molecules of pyruvic acid formed in this glycolysis are converted into molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. Now read fifth fill in the blank. Excess of dash obtained from proteins are not stored in the body. Excess of amino acids obtained from proteins are not stored in the body. They are broken down and the ammonia formed is eliminated out of the body. So, answer is amino acids. Write down amino acids. Now read sixth fill in the blank. Proteins of dash origin are called first class proteins. As vegetables, grains have few types of proteins in them. Only animal origin has all 20 types of proteins. Hence, proteins of animal origin is called first class proteins. Answer is animal. Write down animal. Now let's see question number 2. Match the columns. Read question number 1, that is hemoglobin. Options are option A, skin, option B, muscles, option C, blood, option D, bones. As we have studied, amino acids is converted into hemoglobin to form blood. Answer is blood. Write down option C, blood. Now let's see second match the column Ocene. Amino acids is converted into ocene for enlargement of bones. So, answer is bones. Write down option D, bones. Third match the column is keratin. amino acids is converted into keratin for wearing and tearing of skin? Answer is skin. Write down option A, skin. Fourth, match the column is myosin. Amino acid is converted into myosin, which helps in movement of muscle cells. So, answer is muscles. Write down option B, muscles. Now, let's see question number 3. Find the odd one out. First one, progesterone, estrogen, testosterone, insulin. Answer is insulin, as all others are hormones produced with the help of fatty acids. Second one, actin, osin, myosin, melanin. Answer is melanin, because all others are proteins concerned with the locomotion of the body. Third one, lipids, carbohydrates, fatty acids, proteins. Answer is fatty acids, because all others are food constituents. Fatty acids is soluble nutrients. Now fourth one, alcohol, vinegar, pyruvic acid, lactic acid. Answer is pyruvic acid, because all others are chemical substances formed by the process of fermentation. Fifth one, tricarboxylic acid cycle, citric acid cycle, Krebs cycle, EMP pathway. Answer is EMP pathway, because all other terms have same meaning. Now let's see question number 4. Choose the correct alternative and rewrite the correct answer. Read first question. The spindle fiber starts appearing from dash stage of chirokinesis. Options are option A, prophase, option B, metaphase, option C, anaphase, option D, telophase. Answer is metaphase. That is, the spindle fiber starts appearing from metaphase stage of chirokinesis. Students, this question has come in March 2020 of board exam. So it is very important. Now read second question. Which of the following proteins is present in skin? Options are A, hemoglobin, B, keratin, C, insulin, D, osin. As we have studied, keratin is present in skin. Therefore, answer is option B, keratin. Write down keratin. Now read third question. Which of the following vitamin is not fat soluble? Option A, D, B, K, C, A, D, C. Answer is vitamin C. Others are fat soluble. So write down option D, that is C. Now read fourth question. Water content of blood plasma is dash. Option A, 70%. Option B, 90%. Option C, 65%. Option D, 50%. Answer is option B, 90%. Write down 90%. Now read question number 5. In which type of cells meiosis occur? Option A, germ cells, B, somatic cells, C, stem cells, D, epithelial cells. Student, as we have studied, meiosis occurs only in germ cells. So answer is Option A, germ cells. Write down germ cells. Now let's see question number 5. Complete the following table and state which process of energy production is represent. This question has come in March 2019 of board exam. We have studied glycolysis takes place in presence of carbohydrates. So write carbohydrates in first empty box. Pyruvic acid is formed in process of glycolysis in aerobic respiration. Write down pyruvic acid in next box. Pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl coenzyme A. Write down acetyl coenzyme A in next box. Due to Krebs cycle, energy is produced in mitochondria. Students, we also have studied if carbohydrate is not present in our body, then proteins from our body is used to produce energy. So write down proteins. These proteins is converted into amino acids. Write down amino acids in next box. These amino acids converted into acetyl coenzyme A due to Krebs cycle produced energy. Similarly, lipids from our body is used to produce energy. This process represent process of energy production through aerobic respiration of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Now let's read question number 6. Draw neat diagram of structure of chromosome and label the parts. A. Centromere. B. P-arm. This question was also asked in board exam of March 2019. So students, draw diagram of chromosome and label P-arm and centromere. Student, also label other parts of chromosome for practice. That is arms of chromosome, Q-arm and DNA. Write the heading structure of chromosome. So students, we have completed worksheet of science 2, lesson number 2, life processes in living organisms, part 1. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.